Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to export order data in DataChamp using three export options: Standard, Compress, and Fill. Let's get started. First, create a new report and select Orders as the report type. Then, choose the columns you need, in this case: order number, created at, customer name, title, and quantity. You can remove any columns you don't need and rearrange them as you like. Next, give your report a clear name, like Orders July. Then click on Export Mode, where you'll find the different line options. Let's begin with the standard export mode. In this mode, order level fields like customer name and created at date are included only once per order, even if there are multiple line items. Click Apply, and then preview the result directly or save and run the export to check the full output in Excel. When you open the file, you'll notice that the customer name and order date appear only in the first row of each order. This format is ideal for third-party system imports and for linking line items to their orders. Now let's look at the compress format. Open your report again to edit it, go to Export Mode, and choose Compress. This option exports the entire order into a single row, including all line items. Apply the setting, save, and run the report again. When you open it, you'll see that each order appears as one row, a compact version that's great for summaries where you don't need a detailed breakdown. Lastly, let's explore the Fill format. Edit the report once more and choose Fill as the line option. In this format, the customer name and created at date are repeated in every line item row. Save and run the report, and you'll see that each row is fully populated with all relevant data. This format is especially useful when printing labels or filtering by customer or date in Excel. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.